Hey guys, welcome to my live. Please tap on that screen and show your girl some love. We're going to go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to use a rainbow eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use pink. Hey everybody, welcome to my live. I'm going to use a pink eyeshadow. And I'm going to use a little bit of purple as well. If you guys are just coming onto my live, please tap on that screen, show your girl some love. And then I'm going to use a little bit of white. Hi everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed your Mother's Day. A little bit of eyeliner. Who liked my live? Oh, thanks Miss Yvonne. If you guys are just coming on, please tap on that screen, show your girl some love. I'm not a bro. And I'm going to use the Irie Mink Pink Blossom Lashes by I Envy. You can go onto their site, ivyusa.com. I'm going to use my favorite lash glue, 3D Super Adhesive in the color clear. I'm going to apply some around the rim. Okay, so I apply my lashes. And I'm going to use the Kiss Professional Warm Coconut and Warm Honey. Lona Squido, hi, how are you? I'm going to use Classic Tan 332 foundation. I'm just going to apply a little. I'm not going to apply a lot. And I need to get the mist spray. Hold on. Okay, since it's running, I'm going to use my brush, apply this, mist on there twice, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it in. As you guys can see, I'm blending in a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of dark, which is the warm coconut, just a little. No, I'm not a mom. Are you a mom? If you guys are just joining, please tap on that screen and show your girls some love. Probably shouldn't use classic tan. I use white, purple, and pink. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. We are using INV eyeshadow palette, Draw Me Rainbow. So I'm going to start off with the pink. It's called Romance, which I have here. And I'm going to apply towards the outer corner of my eye. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the purple, which is called Harmony. I'm going to use this purple here. And I'm going to apply like towards the middle. And then I'm going to use the color Pear, which I'm going to use in the white color. I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to use my Black is Black Tattoo Eyeliner by INV. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Miss Yvonne. I'm going to draw out my liner. Just going to use my eyeliner to guide me with the shape of my eye. It's going to help guide me to draw my eyeliner. Thank you, Miss Yvonne, for liking my live. If you guys are just coming on, please tap on that screen. Show your girl some love, please, and share my live. Okay, so we're going to use the Airy Mink Lashes Pink Blossom. So we're going to use my favorite lash glue, which is the 3D adhesive super adhesive, and I'm going to apply on the rim of my lash. And you don't need to apply a lot, just a little bit. If you guys are just joining, please tap on that screen, show your girl some love, and also share my live. So, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to bend my lash. I'm going to apply my lash here. I'm going to use a little bit of warm honey. I'm going to put it in the inner corner. And I'm going to apply the warm coconut. So I'm not gonna apply the foundation on this side of my face. I'm gonna see how it looks without the foundation, just the concealer only. Apply. I'm gonna use the Elf Mist Spray Prime Gripper, and I'm just going to blend in that concealer. If you guys are just joining, please tap on that screen. Show your girl some love, please. Use a little bit of purple. Oops. And then I'm going to make sure I blend out this pink towards the outer corner of my eye. And then we're going to do some blush. I have this new blush by I Envy. It's called Blush Pearl 1. And this is the color Bold Vagina. So it's kind of like a pink color. I'm just going to use my finger. And then I'm going to use, I think it's called Coconut. I'm going to use some a little bit of Midnight. I'm just going to apply some around the lip area. Amira, relax. Thank you. Well, you like my live, share my live to everyone that you know, and then tell them please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're trying to get up to 12,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and my TikTok, we need to get up to 2,000 subscribers as well. Let me see, maybe I can add a little purple to my lips. What you guys think? This is the finished look. All right, TikTok. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for 3,000 likes, Miss Yvonne. Thank you so much. You guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. Also, follow me on my Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste, and I also have a personal Instagram, Sexy Riri underscore 93, Sexy SEXY, Riri REE underscore 93. Follow me on all three platforms. Also, follow me on TikTok, Transformation by Celeste. And thank you guys for tuning in. All love and light. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. So catch my live. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.